Hey guys, welcome to today's video. I'm going to draw Frozen Valkyrie from Stumble Guys. What a special character. Now, because she's so tricky, I'm going to start with the head shape, and I'm constructing her up with the shape of the head. Now I'm working out where her body's going to be. Comes in like so. This is like her shoulders. Comes in, she has a belt sort of area through here, sketching the bottom of her outfit that comes down. Her leg, she'll have one leg coming down here with a band around it, and then the other leg is a bit more side on like that, and then her boot, top of her boot, and then this one's a bit more straight on, and this one's a bit more side on her boot. And then we have her arms. So I'm just going to map on where her arms are. There's arms for each side, and then she'll have a sword roughly there. And her arm will be behind that sword. And then she has the headpiece coming down here. Sketching it up like this is definitely going to help with the final artwork. Hey guys, it's time to put in the details of Frozen Valkyrie, and I'm going to start with this part of her headdress, almost like an octagon, and I've chosen to draw in a blue Copic multi-liner, so that because she's mainly lots of nice light blues and ice, I thought that would look a lot better than black. So there's the front of it. Headpiece, sort of like a tiara, comes around like that. This one comes around like so. Now, because this is more side on, you won't see as much of that. She's got these side pieces to her outfit here, but you won't see that. And then they have this kicks up and back into some feathers, which will be in behind that feather there. So here we have a feather coming out like so. We'll put a center line on that one. Bring this feather around and up like so. We'll put a center line through there. Now this is the main central feather, so that's going to come out and around like this, then back down and around with a center line coming up like that. Then we've got another feather. Now notice how that one curves around, this one curves around this way, and bring that back in like that. Then we have this feather coming out, down like so, and then this part of the tiara or the headpiece will connect onto this part here, which you do see some of. And if you look at it from the side, it's like, I'm just going to draw the front edge first, so it's like a line like this. Then we'll see it comes around and then back and around like that. So in here we have to draw an ellipse. And then these are actually feathers coming out off it. So I'm going to bring them 1, 2, 3 bits. And they come out from that piece of the headdress there. Now she's got a bit of hair coming down here, which sort of looks like feathers as well. 1, 2 pieces there. Then her head is actually going to come in here. This is her chin. Chin, bring it around and up. I'm going to draw her eyes on, and she has like a little eyelash, so I'll put that on with the multi-liner. Same with this one. Eye with an eyelash coming out that side. This is going to look way better once I colour it all in and shade it. Now she has on her shoulder, she has some shoulder pads. So I'm just going to draw this part here in. This is a shoulder pad, but on her shoulder she has this special little piece like so that has all these feathers that come out from it. So I'm just going to draw some feathers coming off that. It's hard to see it from this angle, but there's some feathers coming off there. And I'm going to draw her neck line. Now she has, her waist comes in and then back out a little bit on that side, the same here. So draw a line like this, and then we're going to run her, we'll put her belt buckle on like that with another line in the inside. Then let's bring her belt around and bring it around here like that. And then she has a buckle or a strap that comes over the top here, and then that comes all the way down to here. So let's bring one line up there, let's bring another line down there. Hope you're doing well at home. Sure you are. Now we've got this piece comes in and then back around like that. It's a little shoulder pad here like this. Then her arm. Now this is her sword here. So what we've got to do is the top of the sword, and then it angles down like that. And then we've got to draw where the handle of the sword comes in like this. So that's sort of like looking straight down at it. Then she's got her arm in there. Then she's got a bracelet type thing on with a little bit on the side. And then she's got her hand back in there. Now her outfit comes out from her belt, so bring this sort of, make sure that follows through. She's got this cool bit that's a bit longer with a pattern on it, like that. Then a little bit here that comes down and around. Same on this side, comes around. Then she's got her leg. And her legs she's looking the other way slightly, and then this is the top of her boot. And then this is part of her boot as well. The heel of the boot comes around and comes back around like that. Okay, front of her leg, looking almost straight at it. Comes around like this, top of her boot. That's this part, and then looking more straight at the boot like so. Front of the boot like that. And when we put all the shading on, you'll see all the bits and pieces. Bracelet with the little part on the side. The hand, thumb. Now I've probably missed a few little bits, but here's the back of her head that you see in behind there. You can't really see anything. Oh, you can see a little line there, probably one of the feathers.